If you want to make a low-quality video in CapCut, whether that's for a smaller file size, faster sharing, or just a rough export, this tutorial will walk you through it step by step. I'll show you exactly how to lower the resolution, reduce the bitrate, drop the frame rate, and check the estimated file size before exporting. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick CapCut tutorials like this one. Alright, let's jump into CapCut. Once your project is finished and you're ready to export, look to the top right corner of the interface and click the blue export button. This opens the export menu where you can control the final quality of your video. This is the part that matters most if you want a lower quality output instead of a high resolution file. First, find the resolution setting. By default, CapCut may have this set to 1080p or even 4K depending on your project. Click the drop down menu next to resolution and lower it to 480p. Or even 360p if you want the file to be as small as possible. The lower the resolution, the softer and less detailed the video will look, but the smaller the file's size will be. Next, move down to the bitrate setting. If it says recommended, click it and switch it to a lower option. Bitrate controls how much data is used to store the video, so lowering it will reduce quality and also reduce file size. If your goal is to make a low quality video in CapCut, this is one of the most important settings to adjust. After that, go to frame rate. Click the frame rate drop-down and reduce it to 24 FPS or less. A lower frame rate can make the video less smooth, but it also helps reduce the total file size. If you're exporting something simple, like a screen recording, a meme video, or a quick draft, this can be a useful way to make the output lighter. Before you export, take a quick look at the estimated file size summary text at the bottom of the export window. This is a very useful check because it tells you whether your settings are actually reducing the final file footprint. If the size still seems too large, go back and lower the resolution or bitrate again until you get the result you want. Once everything looks good, click the export button at the bottom of the window to render out your low quality file. CapCut will process the video using the settings you selected, and once it's finished, you'll have a smaller, lower resolution version ready to save or share. If you want the quickest result, a simple formula is this. Lower the resolution, lower the bitrate, and lower the frame rate. That combination will usually give you the biggest reduction in file size. Just remember, the more you lower these settings, the more the video quality will drop. And that's how to make a low quality video in CapCut in just a few easy steps. If this tutorial helped you out, please like the video, subscribe for more CapCut tips, and I'll see you in the next one.